guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my orange glazed tofu. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is my crispy oil-free tofu that I have going in the oven right now. If you would like to see that video on how I make my crispy oil-free tofu, you can see that right above or in the comments below in the links that I will provide. We're also going to need to make this glaze. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of a rice wine vinegar, 1 cup of orange juice. Now I prefer the pulpless orange juice, not from concentrate. You can use pulp. I just find it's a better texture without. Then we're also going to need a dry mixture of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and then a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder. Now we are going to be doing this on the stovetop in a bowl or a pot. And this is going to be cooking for, we're going to mix it together, cook it for around 5 minutes to 10 minutes until it gets a nice thickened consistency. If it happens quicker, that's fine. We're going to do this on a low to medium heat though. So I'm going to bring you guys over to the oven. We're going to get this going, and then we are going to hopefully have some great orange glazed tofu for dinner tonight. Okay, we are here at the stove, and we're going to take all of our ingredients, starting with the orange juice, our rice wine vinegar, and then our dry mix, and we are just going to give it a good stir. And you can turn the oven on at this point, or the stove on at this point. Now we're going to turn that onto a medium to low to medium heat. I'm just going to make sure that all that cornstarch and those spices are mixed together well. And we are going to let this go for around, like I said, 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to want to keep watch. It's going to evaporate up, so we're going to get a nice thickened mixture. So we're going to watch that, and I'll be back when that is ready to go. All right, our orange glaze is ready. And now you will know it is ready if it will stick to the back of your spoon, just like that. It looks and smells absolutely fantastic. Now I like to make sure I get it, it stays nice and warm. And then now I've got my easy oil-free crispy tofu that I'm going to put in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good stir. And now that is ready to go on your favorite oil-free stir-fried rice, some noodles, really any dish you would have with a orange glazed tofu will go perfectly with this. I'm going to go ahead and get a dish of this bowled up, and I will see you guys in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. I got the kitchen tidied up, and I am here with a dish of my orange glazed tofu that I just so happen to have some of my easy oil-free stir-fry rice that I put underneath. It smells absolutely fabulous in here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Delicious. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. It's got a great citrusy flavor. It sticks and holds to the tofu perfectly. It's just absolutely one of our favorite dishes when we're having an Asian dish night. I'll make some orange glaze, and we'll have the crispy tofu, and then I'll make some stir-fry rice, and maybe we'll even have some rice noodles with it. But really a simple, easy, delicious recipe. Now, if you feel like you want some more salt, a little bit more umami flavor in it, you can always go ahead and add some soy sauce into the orange glaze, and it'll get a little bit more salty for you if that's what you were looking for. I like to keep it nice and clean and citrusy and fresh, but sometimes I will add some soy sauce in there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I really hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, please let me know how it goes in the comment section below. And if you're on Facebook or YouTube, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. And as always, this recipe and all my others can be found on my website, plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my orange glazed tofu, hoping that I will see you guys very, very soon.